And Simon Peter answered and said, Thou art the Christ, the Son of the living God. May God bless you. Amen. Tin Simon Peteran Krista Pathian nung papa chu ini atia achanga Isua chu Krista Pathian nung papa chu ani Lalpan malsawm che rawh se. Amen.